Once upon a time there was a girl named Paula Vera, who was very dedicated to her studies and very supportive. She liked to play soccer. It was his greatest time. But she also disliked playing volleyball. Instead of practicing that sport, she preferred to read his favorite book that was Where the Rainbow Ends. One of her favorite celebrations is Christmas, where she shares with her family in harmony and happiness. She is glad to see her family well dressed and sing Christmas carols while they wait for Christmas. The food is delicious, where they distribute stuffed turkey or stuffed pork with wine and Christmas cookies. Paula likes to help her mother with the housework. She helps him to sweep, mop and lay beds. Then if you think that mother is very busy with cooking, it helps her prepare food or wash dishes. Paula is very collaborative and at home and very collaborative with her mother. Paula really likes the four seasons because that way she can vary the way she dresses. She dresses according to the season. If you are in the summer season, wear light clothes, shoot a shirts, light shirts, and tennis. For the autumn and spring season, she likes to wear elegant clothes. Finishes. For the winter season, she likes to wear jackets, hats, gloves, and boots with style. Paula is fashion lover girl.